then this is going to focus on disk usage using the command called df. The F means disk free. Okay guys, so before I start, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if there's something you don't understand. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'll just clear this section. Okay. So guys, remember in our previous video we learned about the EU command for checking the disk usage. So for today we're going to learn about the df command, okay, for disk free to check up about the disk files. Okay, so guys, before I start, the df command, it don't have the main page. So if I say what is df, it will show nothing, and if I say main df, it will show nothing again. But I have a solution for this. So we're going to use the command help to know a little bit about the df command. So if I say help, if I say df help, it will show us a little bit information about the df command. So as you see guys, the disk free, the df command called disk free command, it shows the total used available disk space for each file system listed on the command line for all the currently mounted file system. As you see, we have A, P, K, H, and INT. Okay, so let's just clear this section. So if I say df, it shows all the file system, and I don't know how can I explain it guys. So as you see, sure, a lot of numbers and something crazy, but I have a solution for this. So we have to list it in a human readable format so that it will be easy for us to understand it, to know where this file is located, Okay, so we're going to say df and H for human readable format, and as you see guys, it shows the file system in a human readable format so that it's easy for you to understand it, easy for me to understand. Okay, so as you see, we have the file system, and we have the size, and we have the used space, and we have the available space too, and the percentage, and the percentage, and the amounted on where the file is allocated, where the file allocated to. Okay, like in example, we have a lot of things here, but I'll just show you on the device storage. Okay, on my device storage, the only storage that I have is I have the internal storage in the log. As you see guys, this is the phone storage I have. It's 0.5 gig. This is the size. The used space is 7.1. I think so. Let me see. Okay, so I have 7.1 gig. That is the space that is used, and the available space is 17 gig, and the used percent is 30%, and the file and where the files are located. So that is located to storage emulated and mounted medium and such. Okay. So and I have the memory card installed too. Okay, and the memory card file is 15 gig, and the used is 18 gig, and available space is 1.5 gig, and the percentage is 90%, and the storage where the file is located to. Okay, so this is how I can navigate the file system in Termux, and even in Termux you can do the same thing. Okay, let me just clear this one. Let's say I'm looking for the file system. Okay, so I can say df h and t and ext4, and hit enter. So now it shows me the only file system only. Okay, as you see guys, we have the DM3 and DM4 and the DM5. Okay, so and we have the vendor and the product only, and the caches. We don't mind about the caches. So this is how we can show the external in the external files only. Okay, so we say df hnt external for ext4. Okay, let me just clear. Oh, sorry guys, I just press exit. Let me just copy that again and let me just clear this file. So let me just list it again, and guys, you can use the df command with grep at the same time. It's the same thing as we did before using the df command with grep. So we can say df h specified by grep and the file you are looking for. Okay, so let me just type it. Sorry, and say grep and open it. And let's say I'm looking for MNT. So I'm going to, let's say I have the tons of file. I don't know the file I'm looking for. I'm looking for the MNT. I only know that file is starting with my MNT and hit end. As you see, only show me the MNT file. Okay, so that is the directory of MNT and the size. You have the size used, available, the percent, and the weight amounted. Okay, weight allocated to amounted. That is the same thing, guys. So let's say I'm looking for a vendor. Let me just get this because it's look dead for now. Okay, let's say I'm looking for vendor. I don't know where to find. So if I say df h grep vendor, it will show me the vendor file only because I search for it using the grep command. Okay, so guys, so that's it for now, guys. So let's say I want to put together the df command and the du command at the same time. If you do that, guys, it will show you in a form of a table of all the files in df and the dfu. Okay, so if I say dfu and it end, it will show me in a form of a table, as you see, guys. So guys, it shows all file system in a form of a table so that it will be easy for us to understand. As you see, it draws the line that we're gonna be mistaken checking the wrong file at the same time. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. So thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click that notification button every time I upload the video. Please to know it. So peace, guys. See you next time.